In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly upload and share files on your website in just a few simple steps. Whether you're adding downloadable content for your visitors or managing resources internally, this method will seamlessly integrate your content sharing with your site. Let's dive right in. To start with, head over to your content management system where you'll want to locate and select the Files section. This is typically a dedicated area within your platform designed specifically for managing documents, images, or any other media assets you might want to share. Don't worry if it's your first time navigating through it. This section is usually marked clearly, making it straightforward to find. Once you've located the Files section, the next task is to upload the files that you want to share on your website. A simple click on the Upload Files button will open up a dialog box where you can select the files you want. You can either drag and drop them from your computer or browse through your directories to find the exact files you need. It's important to ensure your files are in the correct format and are properly named to make it easier later not only for you, but also for your website visitors or collaborators who might need to access this information. Now that your files are safely uploaded onto your content management system, the next step is crucial for making them accessible. You'll need to get the link to these files. This is often done by locating the file within the system and clicking on Copy Link, or a similarly named button or icon. This nifty feature is designed to transfer the direct download link to your clipboard, essentially allowing you to paste it directly into whatever document or web page you're working on. The final step is where the magic happens, integrating the file link into your website, turning it into a clickable, beautiful resource. Navigate to the specific section or page on your site where you'd like this link to appear. Paste the link exactly where you want your audience to find it. Maybe you're including it as part of a blog post, on a dedicated resources page, or somewhere that acts as a centralized hub of information for your users. And just like that, you've integrated external files onto your website, enhancing the user experience by providing valuable and easily accessible content. With these few steps, you've simplified content distribution and made it easier for your audience to engage with your material. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need clarification on any of the steps, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Happy file sharing!